Okay, so like I told you guys before, this is a mix with the Axion materials. Instead of measuring 9 headbands of sand per bag, we went ahead to measure 12 headbands of sand, then added 1 bag of the Axion total crit, added the Axion polymer to our water for this mixture. So we are doing our plastering now. So here we have the Axion tough crit. So we are going to be using this for the internal walls, whereas here we have the Axion total crit, which is what we are using right now for the external walls. Here we have the polymer, which we are using for the mixing of the water for all works. This is where we mixed our chemical. So here has about 200 liters. We added 10 liters of Axion polymer to get this. So this is the water we are using to mix our cement and sand with the Axion cement there. So right here, the plastering is going on. This is how the mix is. So you can see the glossy effect, which is as a result of the Axion products inside. So after this stage of plastering, he's going to come back and render it. That's rub the wall, range the wall to get a very straight surface. Then after that, we'll still mix our Axion total crit and cement alone to screed it immediately. So we're not coming back to do screeding later. So as this plastering is going on, the screeding is also going on. This is what we call plaster screed. It's totally cutting out the cost of doing screeding much later. So right here, he's trying to range the wall so that he can get a very straight surface. Because without a straight surface, your work won't come out fine. So he fills up areas that needs to be filled up, and he cuts out areas that needs to be cut out. So this is how the wall looks after rubbing it. Let's prepare our Axion. So right here, we are mixing another total crit with our polymerized liquid so that we can apply it on the wall. Right here, he's applying it on the wall. He's taking his time to apply it on the rubbed surface. Then he will use his screeding pan to screed it. So at this point, you are cutting out the whole time it will take you to still go and plan for screeding. And you are achieving it the same time with your plaster. So it's stronger, much stronger. In most houses these days, when you look at the screedings, you see cracks all over. So with this Axion, it is drying together with your cement. So you shouldn't be scared of the cracks that come up on the traditional screedings that we see in buildings. So Axion is a game changer for all in construction industry. It can also be applied on an old plastered wall. It can be used for tiling. It can be used for swimming pool. It can be used in your bathrooms to prevent damping, antifungals on wall, cracks on wall, and a whole lot of other, even fireproof. This is Axion. So instead of doing your plaster